Back over here with the Black Beauty. And I spoke to the previous owner, man. He gave me some information on his car. Some good information on his car. I just cranked it and it turned over beautifully. But he told me that it had a fuel issue. Whether it be it had a dime-sized hole in the fuel pump, and for whatever reason he believed the fuel pump had stopped working. So and I can hear that the fuel pump did not prime. Gotta fix that door situation. Like I don't hear the fuel pump when I turn the key, so good old starting fluid. See what we get, man. Get this intake up out the way a little bit. Oh, look at that. He also told me that it has a 90mm throttle body on it. Gotta kind of get that inside of there. Matter of fact, see what that give us. Let's try the starter. Oh, she wanted to go. Hit her with some more starting fluid. We ain't even going. Matter of fact, hold on a second, guys and ladies. Spray it in here. See what we get. Hit it a little hard, but ooh, heard that? She sound mean, boys. I need some assistance. If you heard what I heard, it started. She started, man. Yeah. Yep. I need some assistance. If I had another person here with me, I would be able to spray while they, to get it running. But yeah, she started, man. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. Yes. Yes. See if we get it wrong and running a little longer. Yeah, she said. So if you heard what I heard, you were excited like I am. The guy told me that. Had it. He told me that he had put a upgraded throttle body in it. And as you can see, this is the stock throttle body. Guess I'll make sure that it runs good with that 90 millimeter. Then I'll put that up for sale. I'm excited. Now I know what else I got. Now I just know what to do next. Fuel tank. But damn it. If only I wasn't a good person and I didn't help out my buddy, I would be able to go buy the fuel tank right now. But I'm gonna have to wait. So all I can do for now is just admire it. Still gotta get a bumper. Both bumpers. Still gotta get the bumpers, man. And that should do it. Bumpers, handle the fuel issue. Matter of fact, wrong button. Let me try something here. Ugh. I can hear the fuel pump not priming. Wouldn't have been so bad if it was just fuel tanks. Yeah, maybe it was just fuel pumps, but being as though I gotta replace the whole tank, it's gonna be a little bit more costly, as well as time consuming. But she's gonna be good, man. She's gonna be okay. I think what I'm gonna do, I don't know what this is, that a remote wire or something? Looks like some kind of makeup or something. She's gonna get a thorough cleaning when she do get up and running. I just found 15 cents. So that's 15 cents of my money back. I will count that towards the final. That will be counted towards the final sale price. The 15 cents. Let's see where this wire goes to. It goes to nowhere. Let's see here. Come here. Like it was a remote wire or something to our system. Look at that. See where he ran. Look like he came all the way up under here. Yep. Let's see if he goes to the. Oh wow. Let's see if it goes to the engine or over to the radio. Look like it's going over to the radio. Oh, it's cut. It goes nowhere. It goes nowhere. It did go somewhere, but now it goes nowhere. trim pieces. I am gonna try to find black trim pieces. The seat on the other side is broken. This is kind of almost broken. But yep. Boy, do I miss that. But hey, man, I'm trying to get to it, man. Do me a favor, man. Like and subscribe to my videos. If you want to leave a comment, that's cool too. But yeah, let's go on the journey of this 07 SRT8 Charger. You probably love them just as much as I do. And if you do, stay tuned. All right, peace.